Hello friends, today in this video I will be telling you about how to make out best from the test series. Before starting the video friends, I will be requesting you all to join my telegram group, and the link of the group I will be posting in the description link. In that particular group I will be posting about what are the next videos that I am going to post, and we can discuss some of the concepts, or you all can also suggest some of the videos that you want me to make on. Friends, first of all that I will suggest you all is that which test series I had joined, and I will be telling you about all those test series. And friends, it is completely my opinion. It completely depends upon you that which test series you have to join. I am just sharing my opinion that what I had joined and how I manage all those test series. Friends, the first test series that I joined was from MadeEasy. The second was Ace Academy. Third test series I joined is Gate Academy. And the fourth I didn't join that test series, but it was open tests, like Creatrix Coaching Institute is there that used to provide some of the open tests, like it is open for all, there is no fees for that. Around 10 to 20 test series Creatrix used to provide. Last year it provided, I don't know about this year, but the quality of questions was really good in Creatrix test series also. And friends, now moving to how to analyze the test series. Like we have given the tests and how to make out that what after giving the test, what should we learn from that. Like suppose that around 1000 students have given, and out of suppose that 100 marks I have got 47 marks, or 50 marks I have got, and my rank is around 200, 150 rank, 250 rank, something around this my rank is there. Now what after that, how to analyze why my rank was not that good, or around among 1000 students why my rank was not under 50, why I have not scored much more marks. These all things how we will learn to know. Friends, first thing is that test series helps us to know what are our strengths and weakness, in which part of the subject we are strong, which is our weak point. These things help. These things we used to get clarified by writing test series. Like friends, first of all, I will be telling you like how to analyze the mistakes that we have written in the test series. Suppose I am showing you a video, and I will be giving the photo of this paper on the description box. You can go through this photo and check how I have analyzed my mistakes in the test series. Like for electronics communication students, I have written a test series for control systems. In control system part, there is a signal flow graph concept. We need to find out transfer function using signal flow graph. We used to apply some Mason's formula like that. And this particular question, there is a signal flow graph given. And what I had done was this. See over there, we need to calculate delta 1 and delta 2 for different paths. Like in delta 2, I had directly taken 1. Most of the times what happens is delta 1, delta 2, all the values get equal to 1. But in this particular time, delta 2 was not equal to 1, but I had taken 1. So I wrote delta 2 and I calculated by applying the correct method, I solved and got delta 2 is equal to 4. And I wrote in the side that I took delta 2 equal to 1 in the test series. Like this, I had mentioned, like I wrote the question. In short form, I wrote this was a question and what mistake I had done. I marked with some different color pen, and like this I analyzed the test series. Friends, most of the time when I was writing the GATE exam before for the first time in 2019, at that particular time whenever I used to write test series, my rank was suppose that if 1000 students have given, then my rank was around 250, 300 rank was there. Average rank. Sometimes it was better than that, and sometimes it was worse than that. Then the first thing that friend, what you have to make clear is that suppose that there are 25 questions in a test series, like you are writing a subject wise test series, and then there are 25 questions, and suppose that in 25 questions you have scored very good marks, like all 20 around from 25 to 20 out of 25 you have solved all the 24 questions and all of them are correct. Then in this test series what is going to happen to you, that you have solved everything correctly and you got that you are getting a rank, very, very good rank. Suppose that you got a first rank in the test series, then you will feel very motivated. And what will happen now, that you will skip the test series completely. You will move on to the next test series. And suppose other student is there who made 4-5 mistakes in that test series. Now what will happen to him? He will see all those 4-5 mistakes and he will learn that. Like in the first, like you have you made all the questions correctly, so you moved upon the test series, you left the test series as it is. But those who have made the mistakes, they will learn that test series, they will never make that mistake again. But as you have not made the mistake, you will not focus on that. There is a high probability that in the examination you can make those mistakes for the first time. This happens. Then you need to analyze each and every test series questions. At least you should go, after writing the test series, you should go virtually through each and every questions in your mobile phones or in your laptops or computers. You can go through each and every questions after writing the test series. Like this, okay, this was my question and I did like this and something like that. You should move on like this. And friends, like suppose you are writing test series again and again, you are getting very good marks and very good rank. Then how to manage that, friends? Writing the test series only helps you to know your strengths and weakness, and it will be helping you to manage your time. Time management is very important in GATE examination, and test series helps in that. But it's not that the questions that are coming in the test series will be accurately same in the GATE exam also. So feeling extra over motivated with this test series or feeling overconfident, it is not good for the GATE examination. So you should focus completely on your mistakes, and you should feel good if you are making mistakes. Like if you are making mistakes, then you will feel that okay, five out of 20 questions I have made 5 mistakes or 7 mistakes or even 10 mistakes. I have 10 questions. Then you will feel like I have 10 questions to learn, 20 questions to learn. But if you don't make mistakes, you will not learn anything. Whatever you know, you have just written anything, but you are not improving on yourself. By making mistakes, you improve. But if you are not making mistakes, then you are not improving. Like before writing the test series, also you know everything. After writing the test series, you never learned anything new. So if you make mistakes, then you will be learning new things. If you don't make mistakes, it depends on you how you take that. And this thing, that how to control your emotions. Like if you are making mistakes, don't feel down, don't feel low. It's completely for your benefit. That if you are making the mistake before the GATE examination, then it will help you a lot. Go through your mistakes 2 times, 3 times before the GATE examination. You will never make that mistake ever again. And if you are getting a very good marks, keep maintaining that. Remain motivated and keep maintaining that, and learn from how you made all these things, how you solved the papers, what kind of questions are coming, and what was your time management, how more extra can you do, like this. And friends, timing for test series, like my examination for GATE exam was from around 2 to 5 am, 2:30 to 5:30 pm. And so what I did was, whenever I wrote the full length test series, I started my full length test series from November itself. In November I wrote 2 to 3 test series. In December I wrote around 10 to 12 test series. And in January also I wrote 10 to 12 test series. And all the test series in January and December I wrote around 2:30 to 5:30 timing. Because if you are writing the test series at the same time of your GATE paper, your mind will get habituated that this is the time, and like this you will be will not be feeling extra pressure, or like in afternoon time, suppose your examination there, you will not be feeling sleepy in the examination if you have practiced all those things in that particular time. And about topic wise tests, like suppose you have completed your mathematics, completed your extra subject, like in electronics we have signal systems, you have completed your signal systems. Then just after completing the signal system, after solving your previous year, you should first write your test series. Like signal system test series you write, topic wise test, subject wise test you write that, and you should be complete with your topic wise test just after the subjects have been completed by you. Complete your topic wise test, subject wise test just after the subject have been completed, and after 2-3 subjects have been completed, you can write multiple subjects. But make sure that from September October you should be ready to write full length test. Before October I'm saying, before October you should complete all your subject wise tests and this topic wise tests and multiple subject tests. From November, latest by November, you should start your full length tests. And one more thing, friends, I will also suggest you that many coaching institutes also conduct CBT, computer based tests. They will make the environment similar to the GATE examination, and they will call you to the particular center. You have to go there and you have to write the tests. I will suggest you all, I have also written those tests, and my marks in the CBT and the GATE exam was almost equal. And I will suggest you all to join that CBT also, and it will be very helpful for you to know your preparation and your level from the fellow competitors. And that's all, friends. This was I have to tell you about test series. So keep preparing. All the best. Thank you.